हाय बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फाबेट्स विथ एग्जाम्पल्स। A for alligator, ALLIGATOR, alligator. B for ball, BALL, ball. Ball means gane. C for cake, CAKE, cake. Cake means cake. D for doll, DOLL, doll. Doll means gudiya. E for egg, EGG, egg. Egg means anda. F for fan, FAN, fan. Fan means pankha. G for girl, GIRL, girl means ladki. H for hat, HAT, hat. Hat means topi. I for ice cream, ICECREAM. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jam, JAM, jam. Jam. K for kite, KITE, kite. Kite means patang. L for lotus, LOTUS. Lotus means kamal ka phool. M for mango, MANGO, mango. Mango means aam. N for nest, NEST, nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange, ORANGE, orange. Orange means santra. P for peacock, PEACOCK, peacock means more. Q for queen, QUEEN, queen means rani. R for rose, ROSE, rose. Rose means gulab ka phool. S for sheep, SHIP, sheep. Sheep means jahaj. T for tiger, TIGER, tiger. Tiger means bagh. U for unicorn, UNICORN. Unicorn means unicorn. V for vase, VASE, vase. W for whale, WHALE, whale. एक बहुत ही बड़ी मछली होती है. X for X-ray, XRAY, X-ray. Y for yo-yo, YOYO, yo-yo means yo-yo. Z for zero, ZERO, zero. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.